Ladies and gentlemen, Vince here. If there was to ever be an app that needs to be banned, you are seeing it right now. Lucky Toss 3D. Without a doubt, the biggest blatant scam possible known to mankind on the Play Store as we speak. The app that promises you guys iPhones, Versace watches, I'm pretty sure. Let's go have a look. Me and you, let's go take a look right now, guys, at the prize center, okay? Remember, you have the chance to win these prizes. Here we go. iPhone 11 Pro, Gucci bag, Versace watch, a love bracelet, some Essence makeup, more makeup, Nike Air Jordans, bro. Nike Air Jordan 1. Let me look up the price quickly of that. Nike Air Jordan 1. Let's find out the price of these things. $130 shoes right there, ladies and gentlemen. Electronic scales, juices, and 200 coins. Now, guys, the way that this absolute scam of an app pretends that you're going to win these like little prizes is it makes you watch ads, okay? So you watch ads and you get a puzzle piece. Guess what, everyone? Let me tell you something. As a friend to you all, if you don't know who I am, my name is Vince. Nice to meet you. I post videos on scam apps, okay? Let me tell you something. If you ever open an app up and the first thing you are greeted to is an ad, you have a massive problem and you are playing a scam app more than likely, okay? So the thing is with these apps like Lucky Toss 3D, everyone, okay? Number one, they don't pay out. It's just a huge fix. The whole thing reeks of scam, okay? Throughout my videos that I post here on YouTube, this is the... Dude, I just want to punch my screen right now. This is the bit of this app that I hate the most. Look at this. Lucky Spin. Where's the exit, everyone? How do I exit out of this page? I can't. You're literally stuck on the Lucky Spin page, bro. I'm not even joking. Look, I'm going to close the app down. I'm going to reopen the app again. Here we go. Get ready for an ad. If there's not an ad, I will be amazed. I will be amazed, bro. Seriously. I'll pay you. Look. Dude, these developers need to be banned off the Play Store. They need to be sued for wasting your time. People tell me it's not a scam if you're not spending money. Actually, do you know what? I exaggerate. Not really too many people have said that to me. Only about 5, probably. How is it a scam if you're not wasting money? Guys, wake up, man. Do you know what it would be like to play an app for months? Because these apps require you to play for months, okay? Imagine playing an app like this for months, bro, to not get paid out. Imagine actually grinding and wasting your life away to try and get an iPhone 11 Pro, a Gucci bag, a Versace watch, and then guess what happens? You throw these little stupid rings at the prizes on the screen, and you get nothing. Because guess what, everyone? That's what this app does. It's a joke. And it's hilarious because when I first played Lucky Toss 3D, he didn't have ads at the start of the app. The developer is very money hungry, very pathetic, and it makes me absolutely sick. And I'm not even joking, everyone. You might say that's a bit of exaggeration, man. No, everyone. The amount of people that Lucky Toss 3D has scammed, it's probably over 1 million downloads by now. I'm actually very curious to see what the downloads are on this app. Let me just go back here. Lucky Toss 3D. Let's have a look. 10 million downloads, bro. I'm not exaggerating. 10 million downloads plus. Guys, how have 10 million people fell victim to this scam, bro? What's the advertising budget these Muppets have? Oh my lord. It's a complete sham, man. It's just one big scam and it's got over 10 million downloads. That just breaks me. That breaks me emotionally. Like, I'm dead. See you later, everyone. Don't ever talk to me again. I don't want to hear it. This has absolutely just completely shaken me. I've seen Hyperplinko. I've seen these pathetic Puppy Town apps. And I've never seen an app that has 10 million downloads. And it's Lucky Toss 3D out of all the apps in the world. The biggest scam app in the world has 10 million downloads. And every time I get to that stupid spin, I have to close the app down because I don't want to watch an ad. But it's going to force me to watch an ad anyway. Dude, so let's get this straight. I couldn't see a way to exit that ad, right? Or that little spinning page. That forces you to watch an ad, okay? So think of this. I close the app to escape the ad. Then I open the app back up, and the ad's there anyway. So they're literally so money hungry, they put the ads everywhere so you can't escape it. Then they have the banner ads at the bottom of the screen as well, just to sit there and poke and prod at you and distract you. I'm over it. I mean, guys, 130 apps now I've covered on my channel. And I think Lucky Toss 3D, I thought Puppy Town was the worst app I've ever seen. Note, Hyperplinko was definitely the worst scam I've ever seen in my life. I don't care what anyone says. It's destroyed my expectation of how bad these apps can actually get. This is it. This is the epitome of a scam app. It needs to be destroyed. 10 million downloads. Imagine the ad revenue these idiots are generating off you poor people out there. Look, I'm going to press spin and let's see if it actually closes the app. Who's this guy now? Who's these random actors, dude? Oh my god. Am I too mean? Am I being too mean here? Maybe I'm just taking out my frustration on these actors that probably don't even know they're on these apps ads, you know what I mean? Maybe I'm just being a little bit too cynical. This job has turned me into a very cynical person, guys, watching ads all day. Okay, so I've watched the ad. Now what? It's spinning. Yep, it's spinning. Okay, I've got a bracelet. Close the lucky spin page. What is this? What is this, bro? Is this a puzzle farming time? So I've pressed the bottom spin. Let's press the middle spin now. You just can't win, bro. Like, what? How do I get another ad? How do I get another ad, bro? It's not even working. I've just killed the app. Guys, can someone do me a favor? If anyone knows anyone at Google, can they just please tell them to take down Lucky Toss 3D? Like, for literally scamming the public this hard. Like, honestly now, this is so bad. And it's just such one big fix, man. I cannot believe the literal pile-on of scams that I've experienced in the last month or two. If you guys don't know, I post videos every day exposing scam apps, alright? Literally. 130 videos I've posted non-stop. And here we are. We end up back at Lucky Toss 3D that needs to be burned and destroyed. Guys, I don't know what to tell you. Like, I'm still on the spin page. I'm still on the spin page. How do you get off the spin page? Pathetic developer. How do you get off your stupid spin page? I'm gonna get too angry. I gotta calm down. Gotta calm down. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate you all helping me grow to where I am now. You guys are amazing. Listen to me. Don't fall for these scams. You're wasting your precious time, and time is the most valuable currency you'll ever get. Do you know what I mean? Don't even watch me, man. Go outside. Go do something. Don't waste your time with these apps. Please, I beg you, bro. Love you all, and I'll speak to you all tomorrow. Catch you around. Stay safe. Like, comment, subscribe. See you later.